champion of the world, come to my help. Ram.
Oh, it's Sita, the wife of Ram, that wicked Ravan is taking away.
Help, Ram, help me. Lakshman, help me.
Don't worry, Sita, my daughter, I will slay this monster.
Help.
You villain, stop. How dare you go ahead? Don't you know who am I?
What is that? It's Jatayu. You are quite old now. Why you want to die at my hands?
Heed my words and let Sita go. Go back home in peace or else.
Oh, what will happen?
The roaring rage of Ram will burn you and your race to extinction.
For half an hour, Jatayu fought with the Ravan. Then Ravan drew his sword and cut off the wings of the brave bird. After some time, Ram and Lakshman came, so wounded and helpless Jatayu on the ground. Hey Jatayu, my friend, what happened?
It was ten-headed one who wounded me. He is the one who carried away Sita. Now I must breathe my last breath.
Finally, Jatayu risked his life to save Sita Mata.